here two questions I have considered, and we are going to solve these questions, which are most important for your board exams, as well as concept-based questions from chapter arithmetic progression. So first of all, let us see the question number 1 and how to approach this question. The ratio of sum of n terms of two APs is 5n plus 1 is to 2n plus 17. Find the ratio of their mth terms we are to find out. So at first you see they are talking about two APs, and sum of n terms of the first AP divided by sum of n terms of the second AP, that ratio is this much. So what you will do, at first let A1, A2 be the first terms, of the APs, whatever APs they are talking about. দুটা AP কথা কৈছে, ফার্স্ট AP ফার্স্ট টার্ম A1 কৈ দিয়া বা A এড্রেস কলো চলিব, সেকেন্ড AP2 কারণে A2 কৈ দিয়া। A2 মানে সেকেন্ড টার্ম নহয়, সেকেন্ড AP এর ফার্স্ট টার্ম A2 রে রিপ্রেজেন্ট কৰিছে। যদি কনফিউজন হয় তো A1 A2 নকৈ A আৰু A এড্রেস কৈ দিয়া। তাৰমানে প্ৰথম AP2 ৰ ফার্স্ট টার্ম A, সেকেন্ড AP ৰ ফার্স্ট টার্ম A এড্রেস। And common difference of first AP B D কৈ দিয়া, and that of second AP B D dash. তার মানে সেকেন্ড এপির কমন ডিফারেন্সক ডি ডেসে রিপ্রেজেন্ট করা হয়েছে আর ফার্স্ট এপির কমন ডিফারেন্সক ডি রে রিপ্রেজেন্ট করা হয়েছে। এটা সাম ফর্মুলা আবার জানা আছে। দেন ফর দা ফার্স্ট এপি উই আর গোইং টু রাইট সাম অফ এন টার্মস, দেয়ারফর সাম অফ এন টার্মস এসএন বুলি কোৱা। ফর দা ফার্স্ট এপি n by 2 twice a plus n minus 1 times d. Next করা কি, sum of n terms फिर sn dash কই দিল, second AP sum of n terms, that's nothing but n by 2 within brackets twice a dash. It means the first term of second AP আমি a dash কইছো, that's why twice a dash, plus n minus 1 times common difference, second AP common difference কি বলি কইছা d dash, then you write here d dash. So you have written the sum of n terms for both the AP. Then you do one thing, that means sum of n terms for the first AP, this much, sum of n terms for the second AP, this much. Then they are saying that ratio of these two, that is Sn divided by Sn dash, is given as this much. So now I am going to rub this, here I will write. Now you see, according to question, ratio, that is Sn over Sn dash, that's given as 5n plus 1 divided by twice n plus 70. এটা আমার দেয়া আছে। implies দেখা পৰা Sn মানে কি, ইয়াতে ডিভাইড কৰি দিব পাৰা Sn by Sn dash, তো ইয়াতে সো n by 2 cancel out হৈ যাব, then you will be left with twice a plus n minus 1 times d divided by twice a plus n minus 1 times d dash. That's equal to 5n plus 1 divided by twice n plus 70. So this relation you obtained, and from here we can find out the ratio of mth terms. The main turning point of this problem is here. এইখিনিলৈকে অহাৰ পিছত এতিয়া যোনটো আমি ষ্টেপ কৰিম, that is the most important. তো তাৰ আগতে before that you just observe, if you write the mth term for the first AP mth term কি হ'ব? That is a plus m minus 1 into d. second AP যিটো আছে, second AP ফার্স্ট টার্ম কি কৈছা? a dash. তো তাৰ mth term কি হ'ব? a dash plus m minus 1 times d dash. This is your back calculation. So we know this is your mth term for the first AP and this is your mth term for the second AP. Now, main point is that now n is any natural number. You can assume the value of n as you wish. So n or value n ke assume kora jate simplify hoi ei value kini ahi jay. I mean to say value of n we are going to consider in terms of m. It is simple jodi moi yate m bohai diu, twice a plus m minus 1 into d, this will not come. So ami n or value ki lole etu soa m or আমি যদি পাব খুজিছো কি n minus 1 এনেকে চাবা n minus 1 যেটো ভ্যালু আছে ইয়াতে যদি n minus m in place of n, if I write twice m minus 1, then minus 1 is here also. n substituted by twice m minus 1. Then n minus 1 কি হবো চাইলো, n minus 1 হৈ যাব twice m minus 2 হৈ যাব, both side of আকৌ এবাৰ 1 minus কৰিলে এতিয়া চোৱা. Now you observe n minus 1 will be twice m minus 2. So now it will be twice a plus n minus 1 replaced by, that is twice m minus 2 into d. Then 2 you can take common. 2 common lole a plus m minus 1 into d. So same thing in the denominator also you will get. Okay, let me write, then it will be more clear. Let us substitute boli hoba, let us substitute n by twice m minus 1. That's it. Twice m minus 1. Then what you will get? Twice a plus. So let me write directly. n minus 1 means twice m minus 1. It will be twice m minus 2. Already minus 1 at us. Into d divided by it is a dash. So twice a dash, because the second term first term of second AP we represented by a dash. Twice a dash plus, and here also in place of n you have to write twice m minus 1. That will be also twice m minus 2 into d dash. So similar thing you have to write in the right hand side also. That means n or jaga twice m minus 1 bahabo. So here ahi jabo 5 into twice m minus 1. N is replaced by twice m minus 1 plus 1 divided by twice of n replaced by this twice m minus 1 plus what? 70. So almost we have solved it. Now you see here, this implies from numerator 2 common, here also 2 common, 2 will be cancelled out. Then what is left here? A plus m minus 1 times d. m minus 1 times d. divided by, here also 2 common, what you will get here, a dash plus m minus 1 times d dash. And in the right hand side, that will be 10m, let me write here 10m minus 5 plus 1 divided by, here 4m minus 2 plus 17, that's your plus 17. And this is nothing but, you see, mth term of the first AP, and this is nothing but the formula for mth term of the second AP, to decimal represent করিছো, equal to, now it is your 10m minus 4 divided by 4m, that will be your plus 17 minus 2, 15. So this is your answer. Ratio of their mth terms will be 10m minus 4 by 4m plus 15. This is your answer. I hope this is clear. Now let us see question number 2. Here it is asked, Sn is the sum of first n terms of an AP given by Sn equal to this much, then find the nth term. So nth term to ki hobo ulabo dise, jot sum of n terms is given to you. So before that, let me show one thing here. Say 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, which is an AP. Now you see, if you take the sum of these terms, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, that is your S5. And from the beginning, if you take sum of all this, that is your S4. যদি তোমালোকে S5 minus S4 কৰা, তো এই গোটেইখিনি out কি থাকি যাব, that is your 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, that is your A5. তাহলে এটা বাকি আরো চালে by symmetry S5 minus S4 is A5. So you can generalize this way, that if you write Sn plus 1 minus Sn, that is nothing but An plus 1. This is a formula which tells you n plus 1 term in terms of sum. That is, and if you write say Sn minus Sn minus 1, then it will be what term? Nth term. Let me take some particular example. If I write S7 minus S6, that will be what? A7. প্রথম 7টা টার্মৰ টোটালৰ পৰা প্ৰথম 6টা টাৰ্ম মাইনাস কৰি দিছে, 6টা টাৰ্মৰ টোটালস, দেন কি থাকিব তোমাৰ 7 টাৰ্ম will be left. So this concept will be used here. Simple case but important for your board exams. Now here you see Sn just লিখি দিয়া, Sn কিমান দিয়া আছে 3n square minus 4n. So s nth term হইছে তোমার nth term, তো nth term কেনেকে পাবা, তুমি Sn minus Sn minus 1 কৰিলে কি পাই যাবা, এই মাত্র করো, এইটো nth term পাই যাবা। তো এতিয়া n এর জায়গা তুমি n minus 1 লিখি দিয়া, তো n minus sum of first n minus 1 terms ওলাই দিয়া, তো Sn minus 1 thrice of n minus 1 whole square minus 4n. Then what you will get, Sn equal to 3 into n square minus twice n plus 1 minus 4n. ইয়াতে simplify কিনি কৰি লোৱা, 3n square minus 6n plus 3 minus 4n. So equal to, now 3n square as it is, 3n square as it is, minus 6n minus 4n, that is minus 10 times n plus 3. So this is your sum of n terms. N minus 1 terms. It is your sum of n minus 1 terms. Let me repeat the steps. Sum of n terms was given to you. In place of n, you replace n by n minus 1 just to get the sum of first n minus 1 terms. So sum of n minus 1 terms you obtain this. And if you subtract this from Sn, you will get what? Nth term, that is an you will get. So let me write here. See here. Now Sn minus Sn minus 1 equal to. So direct minus for the over directly you can subtract 5n square minus this. Cancel out, this 2 will be cancelled out. It is minus 4n, then it is plus 10n, that will be your what? 6n, and then minus 3. And Sn minus 1 is what? That is nothing but nth term. So an will be 6n minus 3. This is your final answer. So whenever sum of n terms given, so how to find nth term? This is the procedure. I hope it's clear to all of you. 6n minus, sorry, here some mistake I have done. It will be minus 7. 6n minus 7 it should be. It is minus 4n. Here it is. Minus 6n and minus, it is your 4n plus 3. Let me check it. Here, sorry, here one mistake I have done. It is n is replaced. So this n is replaced by n minus 1. So here also it is n minus 1. Then it will be 4n plus 4. Here it will be plus 4. So here it will be plus 4. And then here it is 4 plus 3. It will be your 7. And if you subtract, now 3n square cancelled out, and your minus 4n plus 10n, that will be your 6n, and it is your minus 7. This will be your minus 7. So this is your final answer. Okay, in next class we are going to take some more questions which are important for your board exams. Thank you.